From the rising of the sun to the setting of the sun. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the past videos we've been learning the Adonai with Nathaniel Bassey. So we've been learning the Nathaniel Bassey's Adonai, and we want to continue with trying to neglect the couple. So this tutorial is going to be short. It's actually going to be an assignment that I want to figure it out. Go and watch the previous tutorials that I taught how to play in any key. So we know that we started with the C shape, that we can get the do note over here on the 5th fret on the 2nd string. So it's the same thing. 6, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can be switching the positions of the chords. So sorry, from the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. So just this way, try to practice along the whole fret so that at least you don't stick to just one position, or you don't become too comfortable with one style. So from the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. So try to recall where the chords are. So we just move around. So wherever it sounds better for you, then just stick to that one. Yeah. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave in the comment section if you have any suggestions, any song that you want me to take you through, that we study together and we learn together. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet. Like this video, share. Don't forget to comment if you've not commented before. Thank you. See you next time. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai.